Good evening, everybody. I'm News 2 meteorologist Kinley Beshers, and I hope you guys are outside right now enjoying the weather. The last 2 days have been a drop in temperature, a drop in the dew point, and it has been so pleasurable outside. Now, I know y'all recognize the sign behind me. We do have a severe outlook for Thursday coming in. So to summarize all of this, if you are north of I-40 for the most part, you guys have a 2 out of 5 risk for severe weather. If you are south of the I-40 line, you guys are at a 1 out of 5 risk, okay? So pay close attention because this is what we're going to be seeing. We're really focused on this heavy rain. We have a medium chance for heavy rain coming in, a low chance for isolated wind gusts, and a very low chance for hail. However, it cannot be ruled out. Now listen, there's a lot of stuff going on. We've got Juneteenth coming up this week, so many festivals for that, and it's simply summer. So lots of outdoor summer activities, and if you guys are having those plans, I would make some plans to put them indoors because we are really looking at this heavy rain coming in. Now, here's what's going on down south. Lots of activity all around us. All of this is atmospheric moisture that you guys see, okay? And it's coming up from the Gulf in a northeastward direction, and that's what's coming our way. No matter what, just lots of moisture that's looking to be dropped as rainfall. So another thing that's happening right above us, we have a cold front coming down in a southeast direction, and here's the kicker. It could be hitting us at the same time as this tropical moisture comes up on Thursday. And if this happens, it can get even more serious. We could be seeing some rotation up in the atmosphere, and if we do see that, we will keep y'all on alert. So we'll stay up to date with that. Here's the system that is developed. It's our first one in the Atlantic Basin for the season, and it's a tropical development. It is moving up in a northeast direction. It should be hitting mid-Louisiana in the middle of the night on Thursday and then making its way up northeastward. Now it's looking to stay south, okay, so south meaning Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia. However, no matter what, we are still going to be getting remnants of this precipitation. Pay close attention to this one as well. It's moving northeast at 6 miles an hour. This is really slow. This could be dumping a lot of rain on us no matter where we're at and where this heads, and we're talking possible flash flooding. So do stay alert with this. And here is a little bit of a breakdown of what we have on Thursday. So lots of scattered storm, lots of scattered activity going on around here in the morning. Midday on Thursday, we see a little bit more. In Central Tennessee, we're getting a little bit heavier on that rain, so pay close attention. And a good way to stay up to date with what's happening is to download the News 2 weather app. Make sure that your notifications are turned on and your volume is turned up, and we'll keep you up to date using that app. Now, if you have that app, you've probably already seen our high temperature trends. Now, on Wednesday, we're at 92. We begin to drop. On Thursday, we're at 91. Friday, we're down to 84. We're still going to be seeing a little bit of remnants from the Thursday activity with all that rainfall I was just talking about on Friday morning, so it shouldn't be that bad heat-wise. But then it climbs back up to 90 on Saturday. Now, as for the dew points, this kind of evens it out just a little bit. So on Wednesday, we're still at uncomfortable. It gets a little bit oppressive on Thursday, Friday, not going to feel too great. Now, for Saturday, like I said, it was 90 degrees, but we're at sticky. We're at about 60 to 65 for the dew point, so it's going to be low. Shouldn't be sweating too terribly. 90 degrees and oppressive is a lot worse than 90 degrees and just sticky. So for Wednesday, humid and breezy. Thursday, as I said, it's red for a reason. Pay close attention. Download the News 2 weather app. Friday, we're seeing some morning storms that roll on out. Sunday, we're increasing in the storms and into the rest of the week.